Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these beautiful knotless braids. So the hair that I used is the expression hair. It doesn't matter which one you get. You can get this one or you can get the one in the green pack. It doesn't matter. You need 3 packs of expression hair, and then you need 1 pack of some bulk hair. And this bulk hair that I'm using is from my hair company. This is my deep curly, and my vendor also colored it for me. So I'm gonna just start out with like a knotless braid. And I'm gonna just basically do it like a normal knotless braid, and then you'll see like once I come down enough a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and like add the human hair to the braid, and I'm just gonna keep repeating the same process. So just watch the video and you'll see like basically what I'm doing, and then at the end of the video I'm going to rod the ends with some rollers or some flexi rods. So this year I am feeling like the urge to like really like help hairstylists. So like on my Instagram page I have like quite a bit amount of followers, and I have been able to like build that following up by myself, or like no help, no buying followers, none of that, just from just posting and just having a few viral content. So like this year I really just want to like help hairstylists like build their following, get their businesses up and going, and just like make some money, because there's money to be made in this hair industry. So like moving forward, like I want to post like hair tutorials like these, and then I want to basically put like tips and tricks on how to grow in your business, and then I also want to do like podcasts. So I work in a salon. I'm the owner of the salon that I work in, which you see in the video, and I have people who work with me. So I have one of my stylists, she's going to be like in some of my podcast video where we're like doing hair and just discussing like certain topics in like the beauty industry. So I think this would be really fun segment to do, versus just making like a traditional video where you're just telling people to like, okay, now you put in the hair, now you do this, now you do that. Like, I mean, I'll still tell you like important tips and tricks, but like for the most part it'll be more of like a look and learn, where you're just like watching and just learning what I'm doing. And I will definitely like be sure to like either put on the screen or pause and tell you like certain important things that I'm doing that makes the style like significantly better than what it would normally be. But I just wanted to put that out there, that's something that I really want to like do on this channel. If you guys don't mind commenting down below and let me know, like, are you interested like in me doing this for you on YouTube? Like, I mean, these days like we underestimate the power of social media, and like what social media can do for you if you apply yourself and like do the things you need to do. A lot of it is procrastination and laziness, but once you can get through that hurdle, you can get a lot done on social media, and you can make a lot of money as well. So yeah, in this segment I'm just basically like introducing that idea to you guys, and I want you guys to leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know if that's something you're interested in. Again, we're gonna have podcasts, we're gonna discuss like issues in the hair and beauty industry. I'm gonna do things like rating, like reaction videos. I'm going to be rating hairstyles like for the year. I'm going to be doing like reaction videos to like other like people who are doing their own hair. I'll do reaction videos to that. And I also do reaction video to like people's like booking sites and booking policies. So do comment down below and let me know what you think, because I want this to be fun, I want this to be interactive, and I want you guys I want your input on it. Trying to come back to YouTube, and it's only gonna motivate me if I have like the interaction that I need. Also, if you're someone who struggles with your business, your hair business, or like if you're just a hairstylist in general, because I am a versatile hairstylist. I do braids, sew-ins, wig installs, I make wigs, I do it all. Like, I've been doing hair for over 18 years now, so like I know how to do pretty much everything. So yeah, just subscribe and let me know what you want to see, and I will see you guys In my next video, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this video without me talking. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Also, at some point in this video, I am going to include a free gift for you guys that you can go download from my website. So do make sure you watch the entirety of this video so that you can hear what the free gift is. Okay guys, and for the free gift, so the free gift is going to be an ebook, basically teaching you guys the 5 most important things you need to have a successful hair business or to be a successful hairstylist. So go check that out on my website at www.houseofhb.com. Again, is houseofhb.com. I'm going to link that down in the description box, and I'm also going to link every single thing that I use in this video down in the description box. But in the description box, I'm only going to include House of HB. I'm not going to say what it is, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. This came out so lovely. Like, oh my god, look at this color, look at this curls, look at her parts, look how tiny they are. Like, oh my god, this is so gorgeous. And by the way guys, I'm not going to be doing these braids again because it literally took me, I think, 12 hours to do, and I had an assistant. So try this look at your own risk, okay? I would not recommend. I do not like doing hair for that long, so this was a lot for me, but she loved it and I loved it, and I think it's so pretty and so worth trying. But I would not be trying it again. And this is some of the things that I'm going to be teaching you guys as well, is like how to maximize your time as a hairstylist, make the most money and work less. Okay, so thank you guys for watching.